This job has given me the chance to have the flexibility that I need to be there for my son. I love coming to work. A lot of people go to work and they're unhappy, or they're, oh man, I got to drive to work. Man, you're excited to come here. Oh, why would I get here an hour early, half an hour early every single day, and sometimes stay late if I didn't enjoy it? You walk through any one of the RDO buildings and everyone's got a smile on their face. I joined RDO in April of 2020. Everyone probably says this, but I've probably got the most tight-knit group of guys in the whole company. When your technicians are getting together a couple times a year to have a crawfish bowl or a cookout, and they're inviting their managers to come with their wives and kids and everything like that, kind of says something about the camaraderie. Preventative maintenance, a lot of people kind of look at it as, hey, they're just changing oil and filters on a machine. Where we're digging much more in depth than that. We're inspecting the machine all the way around, checking the cutting edges, making sure there's no glass that's broke, make sure everything operates, nothing's leaking, and then reporting that back to the customer. And then from there, we're taking fluid analysis of each compartment. So if there's an issue going on that you can't see with the naked eye, we can send that off to the lab and they can let us know, hey, you got iron in your system, or you got coolant or fuel or something like that. We can prevent a catastrophic failure by doing proper maintenance and testing these compartments. My team members, that's my job, is to train them up into the career path that they want to go into.